There are two different robot dustbins that can be used for either dry or wet cleaning. For dry cleaning and vacuuming, use the self-empty robot dustbin. This dustbin will automatically empty the debris into the base when it returns to the dock. The base dustbin can hold up to 60 days worth of debris before needing to be emptied. When the self-empty dustbin is attached, the robot will dock with the dustbin facing the dock. When mopping or performing a wet clean, the Matrix Plus 2-in-1 robot dustbin needs to be attached. After each wet clean, the Matrix Plus 2-in-1 robot dustbin will need to be cleaned to ensure the maximum performance. When the Vac and Mop 2-in-1 dustbin is attached, the robot will dock with the dustbin facing away from the dock. For dry cleaning or vacuuming, attach the self-empty robot dustbin by pressing the side panels of the self-empty dustbin into the robot. Push the dustbin in fully until you hear an audible click. You can place the robot in a specific unclean spot and try out Matrix Clean by pressing the Clean button for 5 to 7 seconds. Shark's exclusive Matrix Clean technology takes on the most difficult areas of your home. It increases suction and intelligently cleans up and back and side to side to go over messes multiple times for a deeper clean. With Matrix Clean mode, you can select specific rooms or high traffic areas to spot clean. Follow the prompts in the app to enable Matrix Clean mode. Using the app, you can also select other features, like setting up no-go zones for your robot to ensure a customized clean. To ensure the best cleaning performance, it is recommended to clean your robot's brush roll, side brush, and self-empty bin periodically. Before performing any maintenance on your robot, always power it off by holding the power button down for 5 to 7 seconds. To clean your brush roll, detach it from the robot and remove any hair wrap or debris. Reattach once clean. To clean side brushes, detach them from the robot. Remove any hair or debris from the bristles and reattach once finished. To clean the self-empty robot dustbin, remove the robot, wipe with a cloth, and reattach once cleaned. Remember to power your robot back on after completing any maintenance. After your robot has finished its Explore run and your home map is complete, you can verify carpet zones in the app. Carpet zones ensure the robot avoids these rugs or carpets in these areas while in mopping mode. After setting up the carpet zones, complete the carpet verification run in the app to confirm the size and locations of the rugs. To begin a wet clean, you will need to detach the self-empty dustbin by pressing the side panels of the self-empty dustbin and sliding it out. Next, insert the flat edge of the mopping pad through the slot in the top of the fluid reservoir, then secure it on the back of the dustbin. After the mopping pad is attached, you will need to fill the tank with 3/4 water, followed by 1/4 of Vac Mop solution. Once the reservoir is filled, insert the Vac and Mop 2-in-1 dustbin into the robot. You can place the robot in a specific spot and try out the Matrix Mop by pressing the Clean button for 5 to 7 seconds. Matrix Mop technology starts by using vacuum up the dry debris while the mopping pad follows behind, scrubbing your floors 100 times per minute and swirling to scrub away dried-on dirt and stains. It also covers tougher messes in all directions, left to right, then up and down in a swirling pattern. With Matrix Mop, you can target specific rooms, high traffic areas, or just stubborn spots. Follow the prompts in the app to enable Matrix Clean mode. Using the app, you can also select other features, like setting up no-go zones for your robot to ensure a customized clean. When mopping is complete, remove the Matrix Plus 2-in-1 robot dustbin by pressing the Fill Port button and sliding the reservoir out. Remove the mopping pad by taking out the flat edge of the pad through the slot in the top of the fluid reservoir. Clean and dry the mopping pad after each use. Press and hold the button while lifting the lid, using the finger slots. Empty debris and dust into the trash. Wash dustbin if needed using water. For best practices, empty the dustbin after each use.